Congratulations, you're on the last step, which is probably the most important. In this video, we will show you how to register and complete your profile on NeoGov, which is a system that the County of Los Angeles uses to accept employment applications. We will also show you where to find valuable tools and guides in preparation for the various processes and steps you may need to apply. These resources are provided by the Department of Human Resources, which is also called DHR. Okay, let's get started and get to your profile. Go to hr.lacounty.gov and click How to Apply under the Find a Job menu. Since you've already completed your DHR interest card, click here to sign in. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, enter your login information to access and sign into your NeoGov profile. Then click on your name to see the drop-down menu and select Profile. This will bring you to the contact information page where you can pre-fill some of your personal information and add details about your work experience and any certifications. Also, this is where you can find those additional resources such as test preparation, employment information, and other job opportunities available in the county. Take some time to look through these. They are very helpful links. Now, let's get back to your profile. It's very important to remember when you apply for a job, only some of your profile information may be transferred over to that specific job application. It's important to reread and double-check to make sure all necessary fields in the job application are filled out as required. Depending on what job you are applying for, each application may have different requirements. So as the applicant, you are responsible for uploading all required documents and filling out any supplemental questions by the stated deadlines for each individual job application that you are completing. When you have filled out all of the profile sections, once again, double-check punctuation, grammar, and spelling. Make sure everything is accurate, and then click on the Accept and Submit button. Also, this is very important. You cannot upload and attach documents to your profile. You can only attach things to an application when you're actually applying for a job. But it's a good idea to have documents such as your ID, transcripts, or any other certificate scanned and saved either on your personal computer or on a flash drive so they are ready to upload when the time comes. Remember, most of the county's exams have limited times to apply, so it's important to have everything ready to go when you need them. Don't wait until the last minute. Great. Well, you have just completed your NeoGov profile and are ready to explore and apply for a job with Los Angeles County. Good luck!